pala si Tatin, and today gusto ko lang mag-share tungkol sa isang serious but very real topic, yung mga emosyonal na reaksyon nating mga kabataan sa mga bigating pangyayari sa buhay. Minsan, parang tayo lang ang mag-isa ang nakaka-feel nito, pero the truth is, marami tayo nakakaramdam na ganito. Let's talk about the three difficult situation: death, rejection from parents, and rejection from peers. Kung ready na, tara, kwentuhan tayo. Unahin natin yung death. Sobrang hirap lalo na sa ating mga adolescents kasi hindi pa tayo emotionally mature. Hindi pa natin fully naiintindihan kung bakit may mga taong kailangang mawala. Pwedeng family member, your best friends, or even a pet. Parang biglang, one day they are here, tapos bigla na lang wala, yung sakit and bigat nagsasama-sama. Minsan umiiyak tayo, minsan tahimik lang. Yung iba hindi na nagkakagana pumasok, kumain, or makipag-usap. Meron ding mga kabataan na nagkakaroon ng galit, like galit sa mundo, sa Diyos, sa sarili. At may mga kabataan na nagkakaroon ng survivor's guilt, asking themselves, bakit sila pa ang nawala, pero ako nandito pa. And for some, they try to hide it. Kunwari okay lang, pero deep inside, they are grieving alone. Kaya sobrang mahalaga na may support system, like family, friends, teachers, or kahit guidance counselor. Malaking bagay na yon. Even small rituals like writing letters to the person, lighting a candle, or visiting their places or favorite places, nakakatulong siya to process grief. I felt that biglang wala na yung taong dati mong kasama araw-araw, yung hindi mo man lang nasabing thank you, or I love you, or even just goodbye. It really changed me. Pero natutunan ko na hindi masamang umiyak, hindi kainahan ang pagiging emosyonal. It's part of healing. And I just wanna say, if you're grieving, you don't have to rush to feel okay. Walang time limit ang lungkot. You don't have to pretend to be strong if you're not. Missing them doesn't mean you're stuck. It means you loved, and love never really dies. Now, this one's personal. Rejection from parents. You know, we grow up thinking our parents will always be our safe space. But sometimes, they are the first ones who break our heart. And if you ever felt like you're not enough for your parents, if you ever been told, mali ka, dapat ganito, hindi mo kaya yan, I hear you. Masakit talaga, lalo na kapag ikaw yung punong anak na lagi nagsusumikap para lang mapasaya sila. Pero kahit anong gawin mo, parang kulang pa rin. Nararanasan niya ng maraming kabataan, lalo na kapag hindi sila naiintindihan or kapag pinipilit sila maging someone they are not. Yung mga magulang na laging galit, laging kulang sa affirmation, or worse, yung hindi tanggap yung identity ng anak nila. Sobrang sakit, and it causes anxiety, low self-esteem, minsan even depression. Hindi po, makapatanong ko na lang, hindi ba ako sapat? Bakit hindi lang na makita yung worth ko? And dahil dyan, maraming teens ang nagkakaroon ng trust issues. Yung iba naghahanap ng acceptance sa ibang tao, sometimes in unhealthy ways. Nagiging vulnerable sila sa toxic relationship or peer pressure dahil lang gusto nilang maramdaman at tanggap sila. Alam ko mahirap, pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na hindi kayo nag-iisa. Kung hindi mo mahanap ang pagmamahal sa loob ng bahay, pwedeng sa labas mo siya makita. Kaibigan, mentor, or kahit sa online groups. Huwag mong sayangin or huwag mong hayaan na mawala ang sarili mo dahil sa rejection. Hindi mo kasalanan kung hindi ka nila kayang tanggapin ngayon. But, let me tell you something I had to tell myself. Your worth is not measured by their approval. You are not less just because they can see your light. If no one has told you this lately, I'm proud of you. You matter. And you deserve to be loved just as you are. At last, peer rejection. Ito yung panahon na feeling mo wala kang kabanding, hindi ka kasali sa group, o minsan ikaw pa yung laging pinagtitripan sa school, sa GC, o sa social media. Lahat yan pwede maglulugar ng rejection. Let's be real. Rejection from friends or classmates cuts deep. Kasi at this age, all we want is to belong. But sometimes, you're left out. Ignore, replace, betrayed. And I've been there. Yung tibong sabay kayong patawa dati, tapos ngayon parang hindi ka nakilala. Biglang hindi ka nakasali sa group chats, sa plan, sa kwento, and it makes you question yourself. May mali ba sa akin? Bakit nila ako iniwan? Bakit nila ako pinagtatawanan? Bakit nila ako ginaganito? Kaya mahalaga na ma-realize natin, we don't need many friends, we just need real ones. Minsan, 1 or 2 true friends is better than 10 fake ones. And you are worthy of love and belonging even if others don't see it yet. Sobrang dali lang mag-pretend ngayon, lalo na sa social media. But healing starts with you. When you stop pretending and just be with you. May mga tao talagang hindi pa para sa'yo and that's okay. What matters is you. Don't lose your authenticity. And I realize it's better to be alone than to shrink yourself to fake people. You don't have to change to be liked. Real friends, they don't make you feel small. They see you, choose you, and stay. So if you're going through that now, I just wanna say, keep going. The right people will find you and stay. So ayun guys, that parents rejection and peer rejection, lahat yan ay tunay na pinagdadaanan natin as adolescents. Sobrang bigat, pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, your emotions are valid. It's okay to cry, to feel confused, to feel lost, but don't forget you're not alone. May mga tao hanggang makinig at malalay sa inyo. So why did I say all this? Because I felt all of it. Loss, rejection, pain, and I know how heavy it is to carry those emotions alone. But here's the truth that only I can say in my own words. You're not alone. What you feel is valid. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to keep going, one day at a time. So, thank you for listening to my vlog. Kung nakarelate ka, feel free to share this video. And kung gusto mo lang ng kausap, comment ka lang or message me. Tandaan, lahat tayo may pinagdadaanan, pero kaya natin to. One day at a time. See you next time!